What is network designing? Network designing is the process of planning, creating and implementing a well-structured and efficient communication system that connects various devices, computers and resources. What is the importance of network design? Number 1. Optimal performance. A well-designed network ensures smooth and efficient data flow, reducing latency and maximizing performance. Number 2. Scalability. Network design allows for easy expansion and adaptation to accommodate growing business needs. Number 3. Reliability. A properly designed network minimizes downtime, ensuring continuous availability of resources and services. Number 4. Security. Network design includes implementing security measures to protect against unauthorized access and data breaches. Number 5. Resource utilization. Efficient network design optimizes resource utilization, reducing unnecessary costs. Number 6. Improved collaboration. A well-connected network enhances communication among team members, promoting collaboration. Steps in network design. Number 1. Requirement gathering. Identify business needs, goals and objectives. Number 2. Network topology planning. Determining the structure of the network such as star, bus, mesh, etc. Number 3. Addressing and naming scheme. Planning IP addressing and device naming conventions. Number 4. Hardware and software selection. Choose appropriate networking equipment and software components. Number 5. Security measures. Implement firewall, VPN, encryption and access controls to safeguard data. Number 6. Testing and optimization. Thoroughly test the network design and make necessary adjustment for the optimal performance.